Spider's Web, and this is the final video in our unboxing of the Chronicles of Crime Kickstarter. And just to back up a little bit, I'll give you the background of the 1400, 1900 and 2400. So in the 1400, it says it is the year 1400 and you are Abelard Lavelle, a knight living in Paris. Since you were a child, strange prophetic dreams of past and future crimes have haunted you. You managed to put your power to good use, solving mysteries that nobody else could. Now, thanks to your growing reputation, the people of Paris seek your help. Will you come to their aid? In 1900, you were Victor Lavelle, a young and ambitious journalist. It's the year 1900, the middle of the Belle Epoque, and Paris is flourishing. There are many exciting stories to cover, but you are far more interested in murder, kidnappings and robberies. Having a police commissioner for an uncle helps you to be among the first to know about sinister crimes. But will your wits make you the first to find the perpetrator? And 2400, it says, it is the year 2400 and you are Callier Lavelle. You once dreamed of fighting crime as a highly trained cyber agent, but it quickly became obvious that the corps you worked for only cared about their bottom line. So you quit and left the privileges of the elite Belcorps forces behind. Now, without your badge and stripped of your cyber implants, you need to solve crimes all on your own.
Wow.
So,
and did you notice that it was a continuation of family?
Yeah, it is one family. It's a
Lavelle.
line of the family that's going through. So we're going to open this box first. This is the one we're doing. This is just a storage box. There's nothing inside it, but I just want to see the layout of it all, because this stores all the Millennium games. So basically, oops.
Oh, I like that.
We have that.
Now you can see it all properly, the images, so it's all morphed. Looks really good. It's got the plastic.
It's got the plastic again, yep. So, you've got the hair plastic, and you've got all the moulded things in here. We have a Star Trek badge, and this and that. So we will find out what these do. We have each one separated into different things. So that's 1400. So the character cards, the investigation and clue cards will go in there. For 1900 again, the character cards will go in there. The clue cards will go in there. And the 2400, the character cards will go in there. And the clue cards will go in there. And all the bigger cards will go in here. But this teases that other things are involved. We will find out what those are in a second.
With that box.
When Ali opens the other box.
Which is this one. Which is the expansion. Oh my god. Hey!
There we go. That's what she's waiting for. So she can blame the box.
Thanks. So there you go. So.
And as it says here, we have 4 additional scenarios. One that takes place in 1400, the pursuit of knowledge. One that takes place in 1900, which is the bitter pill. One that takes place in 2400, the dream that never ends. But a matter of time takes place in 14, 19 and 2400.
Wow, so it's time travel at its best.
So we will find out how that works when it gets released next year. Next year. When is it? It's next year. What? So, I showed you the app in one of the earlier videos, and I forgot to mention that the app is free to download. It's free to download, and once it's downloaded, you don't need internet access to play. So you just download it once. In order to update and everything, and add more things to it, and buy more, you can buy more missions. For the core game anyway, which is the one set in London. You can buy more missions for that one. at the moment you can't buy any for this Millennium set as yet. I don't know whether there's going to be any more or not. But yes, let's get into the white box.
I'll let you open it.
The Chronicles of Crime expansion. It falls off. Oh, we have more cards, and we have another plasticky thing.
That, you know, that
is really nice.
that little, that little thing there that keeps it all together really does help. It really really gives that that extra thing, doesn't it?
So if you want to take that off.
It's got another start.
Yeah. Okay, you can get that through. I'll take them off.
I'm not being.
Just rip it. They're not going to be. It's not going to be used for anything.
I know. So.
We'll move that out of the way.
Yep. Okay, so I think this is. Oh, hang on. I think these are not.
These are letters.
Oh, so the expansion, so they go on. Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So there's one for the, I would say, 1400.
Mhm.
Is that the home one then?
Yeah. No, it's just another location.
All right. Oh, so that. All right. So I would say that's for the 1900. Then on the back, it's got.
I would say that was for 2400.
Yeah.
And that will be for something.
1900.
Mm.
I think
Well, these ones are double-sided, so.
that's definitely 1900.
Mm.
That's definitely 25. P.
And we're back to Blade Runner again.
Oh, that's nice. So them are the location ones.
Okay. These are more. Oops.
Character.
I'll zoom in for a second. These are more of the vision
Oh,
cards.
vision.
Oh, yeah.
Are they just single?
Yeah, they're single-sided with just that and on the back.
Oh, nasty man.
There we are. So that's those ones. Now I'm just going to zoom out again. Oops. No, do you want to set those off?
Well,
You can't look at those yet.
can't look at them. We've got another don't look sign.
But we do have a bag.
We do have a
And
bag.
this is what the extra moulded things were for. Because we do have little meeples for this.
So there's the crow.
Raven.
Raven.
Percival the Whippet.
And
Right. With this in particular, I want to point out that if you're playing this game using this piece, that you must wear eye protection because you don't want an eyeful. So
you could do a little bit of role play with it and pretend it's a small little.
yeah, so that is what those little moulded bits cut out in the bottom of the storage box were for. So that's quite nice.
Got some silica there as well.
Okay, so next we have those cards. We could have a look at those.
Guess what?
What?
I'm in the ripping stage now.
There's not many of these now, so that's it.
These have got the face on the back.
Mm-hmm.
And that was nice member thing, Gail. Ooh. Matty. Wow. The artwork is phenomenal.
Quite good.
Yeah. Cat. There you go.
Right, and I have these little cards here. So we have 2 with this star logo, 2 with that one, and 1 with the cog. So the cog one is that. That is the 5th cyber implant to go on the implant card.
Alright.
There we are.
Sorry.
So we know where that one comes from now. And then we have these 2, which are 16 and 17. These are special clue cards. Like so.
Baby and
then we have 2 with the star on the back. These are just normal clue cards. And that's what we have there. So that is it for Chronicles of Crime Millennium Edition. Right, so now we have all those open, and you've seen them all.
we could put them in the box.
I'm not going to put them in the box just yet,
Right.
but I will do off camera so they can all get
Okay.
put in. But what I was going to say is, now you've seen them all open, and you know what the they're doing. Move that one now, we don't need it. Let us know what you think and which you think is going to be the most interesting to play. We have lots of different millenniums, well, 3 different millenniums. We have obviously 1400, 1900 and 2400. I'm not quite sure why they went for 2400. It might have something to do with the fact that we're only in 2000 and they have to do it in the future. But, oh well, never mind.
Yeah.
I didn't think of that one. Never mind. So
Probably if you did it like 2100, it would be a bit like freaky.
yes, that's a bit too close because it's.
Yeah.
But yeah. Anyway, what was I going to say then? Oh yeah. Let us know which one you think is going to be the most interesting to play, and which one that you like the look of more. For me, I think it's the sci-fi one, 2400. There's such a strong feel to that one. Even though they've all got the right feel for the era that this sets, that one is the one that got me more than the others. Mainly because I quite like reading sci-fi and fantasy stuff anyway, so.
The sci-fi. I think mine's a 1900. Although I do like sci-fi, but I think I'm getting a bit more. I like more historical stuff. So I used to be more medievally, so I thought that the 1400s might. I think, you know what? I'll give it all of them a go, and then I'll tell you which one I like best after I've done played them all.
I'm just thinking of initial thoughts before any gameplay is involved. And
1900 for me.
If anybody has actually got this and has been able to get it onto the table and had to play, let me know what you thought of the game. I'm not doing as yet, as I say, I'm waiting. I think we want to wait until close to the time of all of them coming out, mainly because it gives us time to get a few people around and play it properly with a few of us rather than just
Easter will be a good time.
us 2. So hopefully it's going to be before Easter, but you never know with what you may call it. You never know with some of the restrictions that are going about. So
well,
who knows?
Yeah, true.
But, anyway, if you've enjoyed this video, give us a like, leave a comment. If you've watched all of the videos and you've enjoyed watching them, and there's many more videos on the channel, so go and have a look. And if you like what you see, subscribe and pop over to Patreon and help us out to try and bring more videos.
Don't forget to ring that bell.
And ding my dong as well. Yeah, that's definitely what you should do.
Ding the dong.
And with that, I'm going to go and start editing these videos. So, for Molly,
always, as always, smile, imagine, believe.
And from me, stay safe, take care, God bless, and bye for now.